Okay, this is Manchester, Vermont. Tractor Parade, December 3rd, 2011, on Route 30. You saw it here first, people. It's quite the crew. This is Winnie the Pooh throwing candy or something at us. And this is Pack 333, must be Cub Scouts, I think. And another tractor. You don't see this just anywhere. Only in Manchester, Vermont would you see this. Old farm-all tractor. The Dorr Tractor Farm. That's Donnie Dorr of Dorr Oil in Manchester. The same. And this guy's lagging a little bit behind. That's an old one. An old John Deere from the looks of it. Quite the rig, the collaborative. Oh, and this is quite the looks like moose antlers, maybe? I don't know. This is a Victorian Christmas, Hildene. Robert Todd Lincoln's Hildene estate. We're going to have a gig. And there goes a Agrimart truck. And here's a young'un in his tractor, John Deere. Oh, and here's a big sucker. Big. An old John Deere, look at that. Oh, there's a dog. We got dogs. We got dogs. Looks like a water dog. Yep. Gear problems. Here we go. Wow, look at that. That's an old one. International. Here's Long Trail School. Long Trail School in Dorset. GNAT TV, the local cable TV provider. Oh, and a convertible with the top down. Hey, Haas! Oh, what a crew, huh? What a crew! What a crew! Parfax Gas. Hey, Tim. Big case. Looks like Ivan Beatty. Back road Discovery Tours. Hey guys. What a tragic commentary, huh? Yeah, the Dorr Oil truck. Makes sense. There's Don Dorr and Mrs. Dorr. Yep. 1223, placarded for kerosene or tool oil. John's a big supporter of the community. And this is pretty much it. This is the, looks like Manchester PD. And of course the line of traffic behind, so. That's it, the tractor parade, Manchester, Vermont. See you next year.